Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just received, I know it's a little late, my December Lookfantastic Beauty Box in the mail, and I put on whatever I didn't need for this video, and we're going to apply everything else on camera today together. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this month's Lookfantastic Beauty Box with me, stay tuned. So I don't know if I accidentally threw it out or not, but normally there is a theme card in the box. I do not have one, so we're just going to jump right into the product and talk through them and see what it is. I do have my phone, so I'm going to Google some things because I have no idea what some of these are. So first, this is the Sleep Like a Queen Satin Sleeping Mask from the brand Glove, G-L-O-V. Not sure if that's a play on the word glow, but you know what it is. So I can't find this product or a price or any information on it online. It is pretty soft. It is honestly fraying a little bit and doesn't feel very high quality. I don't love sleeping masks. I have a few and I wear them every now and then I ignore them for 6 months. Then I remember to use them again. So that's going right in the giveaway pile for me because this is just not something I'm into. Next, from the brand Lottie London, this is the Ombre Blush in the shade Haze. I am going to try this on because I have not used any of their blushes in the past and I don't have any blush on today. So, pulling up some info on this, the Lottie London Haze blush, which is a coral tone, is on Ulta's website for $6.95. So this is more of an affordable item. The packaging actually does not look the same as the one online, so I'm not sure if this is a smaller size or not. 2.5 grams. The one online, I can't find a size on the one online, so I'm not sure if this is a full size or a sample size. Obviously, for a $6 blush, the packaging is pretty cheap, but I'm going to take a little bit of this on my favorite blush brush, and let's see how it looks. So it's a very pretty color. I think it's really a nice tone. When I first started applying it, it felt like it was sitting on top of the skin rather than really like blending into the skin. But as I circle with the blush, I am noticing that it is really giving this lifted and warm sculpt to the face, and it is blending in nicely. Now, with one tap, like you can see the amount of powder coming off the brush, definitely a lot more than you need when you pull it out of the pan. So I would recommend going in with a very light hand. And this is something you're going to have to take a little bit of time to blend out. It's not going to be the most effortless blush in the world, but if you take the time to blend it out, it really does give you this very beautiful tone. I like the way that it has just like this tiny amount of sheen to it. Not much, but enough to add a little bit of a glow to the face. So I have no highlighter on right now, but I still feel this luminosity coming through, which I'm a very big fan of. Next, from Starskin VIP, these are the gold eye masks. I have received these and used these in the past. Now, a 5-pack of this retails for $27, so obviously it's like $4-ish for just one. I do love gold eye masks. My favorites are going to be the ones from Wander Beauty. I just think they wear beautifully. They don't fall, they don't move, they have that aluminum finish, so they don't slide and drip throughout the day. Well, throughout the time you're wearing them anyway. So I have used these. I think they're good. They're not bad. I just don't like them as much as the Wander Beauty ones, but I will say eye masks in general lock in hydration, smooth out the under eyes, and it's one of those products that are a staple for me, especially when I'm doing makeup on someone else. I always like to put that on while I do the brows and the eyeshadow so that if there is any fallout, I could just peel it away. Then I go in with concealer, complexion, and do the lower lash. So definitely a great product to have in your routine if you tend to get fallout, or you find that by the time you're done doing your eyeshadow, you look like you have a black eye because of everything that just drips. So probably a product you should look into if you have any of those issues, but it also does help with the tired fatiguing of the under eyes and just smoothing and plumping that area over. Next, this is from Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. I've spoken about this cleanser many, many times. I'm actually a really big fan of it, and I love having cleansers I like in travel sizes. I know I think it was this month, in my glossy box, I got an Elemis primer, and I complained that I've gotten like 9 of them, and I don't need the same primer over and over. I believe the exact opposite when it comes to cleansers. I want the ones I love. I want them in travel sizes. I want them because they're small, they're easy to travel with, they're easy to have on the go, and most importantly, I like opening new product and trying new things. or just using a fresh box of or bottle of something I already know I love. So having them in a smaller size means that I can start a new one more frequently versus having the massive size. It's actually gotten to the point where when brands reach out to me offering to send me PR, I always ask if they can include travel size or TOA, token of appreciation items, in the package as well. So that way I don't have to open the big one, and if I end up not liking it, I can put the big one in a giveaway and give it to somebody, because once I open it, I won't give it away. And it gives me a chance to try it in a smaller amount, and if I end up loving it, I then have a travel size version of the thing I already know I love. Next, this is from the brand Ico. This is the Spotlight Highlighter Pencil Crayon in the shade Pearl. I don't typically love highlighters like this, but we are going to try it out today. So just a quick back of the hand swatch. It is definitely highlighty. It is more of a cream, and it does blend out a little bit on the chalky side. I'm going to hope that this isn't going to mess up my cheeks today. But I'm going to take a little bit of this, just right here, and with my finger, just kind of move it around. It's definitely adding a little bit of shine. I feel like this would be a good product for like a spotlight addition to the inner corner, because it's a nice crayon. Treat it more like a cream shadow. On the cheek, I don't like it. So I'm going to be passing on that. I wish I liked it more, but it kind of blended into nothing, and it doesn't look any better than the cheek I didn't put it on. And the last item is another one that's just not going to be for me. This is from Hollywood Browser. This is the hair removal and dermaplaning tool. It's basically a razor for your face. I am male. I grow facial hair. I shave my face 2 to 3 times a week. I don't need something like this as well. I also don't do the blading above the brows, although that might be something I would probably maybe start. I don't know. Dermaplaning is just not really something for me. Obviously, again, I'm shaving my face regularly, so it's not really something I find necessary to my routine, so that is also going to be a pass for me. So this is one of those boxes where I'm definitely split down the middle. I think that I got some really great products in the box. I love the blush, and I'm really always on the hunt for affordable products. I don't know what it is, but most of the products I try do tend to be in the prestige or luxury category, and a lot of it is sent to me. I'm not like going out looking for these products. I use what's sent to me, and I play with those for you guys, and every now and then I'll make a purchase, but for the most part, I'm just using what's sent, and I guess the affordable brands don't like me. So I don't tend to use a lot of affordable products, so because of that, finding an affordable blush that looks pretty and blends out beautifully is kind of hard to come by for me. So I'm actually really happy with the blush. Obviously, I love the Elemis cleanser, and the Starskin under eyes. You can never have too many under eye bags. As for the eye mask, like the sleeping mask, the dermaplaning tool, and the, I'm going to be honest, I'm throwing it in the garbage after this video, Spotlight Crayon Highlighter, 50-50 split on what was good and what was bad. Now, when I look at an unboxing and I talk about the products here, I like to go through with the mindset of, did I get my money's worth? Or if I would have spent on this because it was sent to me, would I have gotten my money's worth? And in this case, the Lookfantastic Beauty Box is a $16 a month subscription, and based on a $6 blush, a $4.50 eye mask, and the Elemis trial size, which is probably $4 too, I'm going to say that this box is not worth it this month. Last month's it was. I'm happy with the items that are here, and if you are someone who might find dermaplaning good for you, or you like the sleeping mask, then maybe it's something that might be a little more appropriate for you. It just wasn't for me. So that's going to be a pass on the Lookfantastic Beauty Box for me this month. I'm really optimistic and hopeful that next month's will be better, because the Glossy Box this month was fantastic, and they are owned by the same company. So I am going to be really excited to see what's coming in January. As always, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts. I love hearing what you think down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!